Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I will be showing you how you can hide and unhide Snapchat charms on your device. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before we get started, make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, open up your Snapchat, and as you open up your Snapchat application, over here tap on the chat icon which is in the bottom left corner. So once you do that, on the other page you will be directed into chat info. So over here you have a list of people that is on your friend list. So on the chat page you'll have to select the person or the contact that you actually want to hide their Snapchat charms. So just tap on the profile icon or the bitmoji, and once you do that, on the other page you will be directed into their profile page. So over here scroll down right to the bottom, and then you can see right at the bottom there's Snapchat charms. By default, not all charms will be hidden, so you'll have to select. So just tap on it. So as you tap on the charm, next tap on the three dot icon in the top right, and over here you can see that this charm won't be hidden. So what you have to do is you'll have to select another one. So then do the same process, tap on the three dot icon. So over here you can see that this charm will be hidden. So what you have to do is tap on hide charm, and once again there's a confirmation, tap on hide charm. So you can see that the charm has been hidden. So then in order to unhide Snapchat charms, you'll not be able to do it from the Android device. So then the alternative is that you'll have to log in from iOS device, and then you can unhide the charm. So the feature is only available on iOS device. So that is how you can hide and unhide Snapchat charms on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.